y'all. My name's Deandra, and I'm from Oklahoma, and I'm here to do the Real Women of Philadelphia Cream Cheese Cooking Contest. I'd like to thank Paula. She's here as my assistant today to help me, and I'm making Rice Krispie treats filled with cream cheese and other things. I'm in Savannah at Paula's Y'all Come In, her beach house. And let's start here. I start with my Rice Krispies. You get the little treats. You can make them up from the box, or you can buy them ready-made. Open the box. I cut them in half, and then I cut them again. So it makes two little pieces each. So there's lots of things you can stuff these with. I put out 4 things, and I'm actually going to show you 2. I cut them open, and first thing I start with is my cream cheese. I've got a block of cream cheese, and I put it to room temperature, and then I just put a little cream cheese on every piece. And the first kind I'm going to make is a salted caramel. So I like my salt to be sea salt, and I just put, the tiniest bit of sea salt on 2 pieces, and then I get some caramel, and I just bought some really nice caramels. I cut them up, and I just put a big old piece in there. Okay, and then I put it together. This is a fun thing to do with kids. They love making these. And I put it together. And then I also got some hot chili chocolate. That would be nice with cream cheese, or dried cherries would be nice. But the other one I'm going to make is with ginger and a jam that I picked up at one of the plantations up near Charleston. The jam that I've got today is fig, raspberry, orange, and ginger. But I think an apricot jam would be nice also. Just whatever you prefer. So I put a little bit of the jam on. And since this has ginger in it, I really like ginger. I cut up some ginger. And I just stick some on there. Get a little more cream cheese on the other 2 sides. Okay. Then you stick those together, and you just make a little sandwich of it. Then we bring it over here to our rack, and as you can see, I've been doing this, so my rack has a little chocolate on it. So there's those 2, and I'm going to bring these 2. This is Uncle Bubba's cookbook. We went there for dinner tonight, and I want to say that was the greatest meal. It was so good. Okay, now I'm going to cover it with some, kind of made a ganache chocolate. So what I did was I got some Ghirardelli chocolate, and I poured it in the bowl, and I melted it in the microwave. And then when it came out, I put a little heavy whipping cream, and I stirred it up. So then I just get a little bit and drizzle it, more than drizzle. I pour it over it. Just kind of let it dry like that. That's about it. I'm going to let that dry. And how about this cookbook, the Dean Brothers? Aren't those guys the cutest ever? Okay, let's go over here, and you can see my finished product. I've got it sitting here on the table. This is the jam with the ginger, and over here I have the other one, which is the salted caramels, and this is the way they look dried. Very pretty. And then I made up some lemonade, and I made some ice cubes with cherries in them to bring out my cherry. So I just get my ice cubes out here, and I stick them in my glass, Looks really pretty with the cherries in the ice cubes. Okay, so that's it. My cream cheese in my Rice Krispie treats, covered in a ganache chocolate. And I'd like to thank Paula Deen and Kraft and my photographer Patty. Thank you.